How to fix your Discord soundboard not showing. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll get updated if there are uploads here. So if there are no soundboard icon in your Discord server or channel, what you can do is go to your computer and install it. So this is a simple uninstall and install process. So this is the soundboard icon here. So if there's none on your server, so this is what you would do. Go to the search bar of your PC, and here you can see the Discord app. Right click and click on uninstall. So this will directly uninstall your Discord. Or you can also go to your app data and see or search for Discord. So you will see here your Discord app, and click on the folder, right click and click on delete. So this will also delete and install all the files of your Discord. And after that, just go to the Discord website and download for Windows. So this will surely fix your problem.